What's up guys, welcome to your 194th Android tutorial for the new Boston, and pretty much our application is done. All we need to do is maybe monetize it, add some ads on there and hopefully get some clicks and make pennies and all that great stuff. Pennies can go a long ways, but that's what we're going to do. We're going to set up ads within our application, but before we do that we need to download the jar to incorporate Admob within our application. Also, these last few tutorials we're going to show you how to sign your application, which we kind of did with the Google Maps, as well as put it on the marketplace, and probably show you guys how to update your application just in case you need to do that as well. So what we need to do first is get the jar so we can use some ads, ad type methods, and refreshing our ads and all that good stuff, and make sure the connection goes through and you get paid your pennies or dollars or whatever. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to a site called admob.com, and we're going to use Admob to put ads within our application. So you guys will have to register, register for this. It's free, so nothing to worry about there. But I'm not going to go through the registration process. It's pretty much like signing up for anything else. And then once you do that, you want to go to this marketplace tab here, and I'm probably going to blur out my information because I'm sure it's against the rules if it's anything like AdSense and all that. But you might be like, oh, how much is he making? It's not much, guys, so trust me on that. And also, I don't have any good applications on this account, so it doesn't really matter. But what we're going to do is we're going to go down to this button here. Just going to shoot down to this tab here. So just find a tab like this that says Add Site or App, and we're going to click on that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to an Android app because that's what we've been developing, and we need to give it some information. So our app name, we're going to say the New Boston Basics, something like that. And what we need to do now is we have to make that correlation between our actual package name and Admob. So we do that with this package URL, and all we're going to say is market : / details ID equals, and then greater than sign com.thenewboston.travis, and then less than sign. So that's my package name. Again, if you guys forget, you just go right here into your project, and here's your package name. So just make sure that that is the exact same. And then we're going to give it a category like productivity, and we're going to give app description. Now the app description actually gets viewed by the people that work at Admob, so you kind of want to give it some detailed information so they can help you or help put the right ads on your application, and hopefully you make more money that way. So I'm just going to say I just said something like, this is a basic Android programming example used for teaching Android development, and that's probably good enough. If you want to add more descriptions or more detail to your description, feel free. It probably will help you out, but just do that. Then we're just going to hit continue, and what we need to do is we need to download the SDK or the jar that we're going to add to our project. So we're just going to click either download here, and it's going to download to wherever you guys choose, or what we can do is go over into Clips, go up to the Window tab, and then Android SDK AVD Manager. We can go to, I'm going to go to installed packages because I already have this installed, but this is what you're going to look for. It is the Google Admob Ads SDK package in revision 2. Where that's going to be located is under the available packages, if you guys don't have it downloaded already, third-party add-ons, and then the Google add-ons, and it should be somewhere like right here. Actually, there's a revision 3, so I'll just actually download that and hit accept all or whatever, install. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. We got our package name registered with Admob, and we're also downloading the SDK so we can refer to it in our actual project. And I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial where we'll start getting this set up and all that great stuff. So I'll catch you then. Have a good one.